Hi everyone, welcome back to our weekly analysis of the precious metal gold. In this video, we will be taking a look at the key developments in the gold market over the last week and what's in store for the coming week. To set off, let's take a look at the key numbers for this week. Gold opened the week at $1,926 per ounce and closed the week at $1,927 per ounce. Weekly high was recorded at $1,949 per ounce and weekly low was recorded at $1,911 per ounce. So what do these numbers tell us about the performance of gold in the last week? Well, despite the strong uptrend that gold has been in lately, there are now signs of exhaustion. This could be a pause before we see gold continue to move further towards the upside. This week, gold managed to touch the psychological level of $1,950 per ounce. However, if we take a closer look at the price action, we see a doji long wick candle on the weekly time frame. This suggests that the bulls are losing control and bears are trying to take over. Furthermore, the RSI and stochastic RSI are highly oversold on the weekly time frame, indicating that the price could be due for a pullback. But it's not all doom and gloom for gold. The moving averages are still showing a continuation of the uptrend, with all the moving averages perfectly aligned in ascending order. This suggests that the trend is still strong and gold could continue to move higher in the coming days. Now let's take a look at the support and resistance levels for gold. Currently, the price is continuing the strong upside channel that it has been moving in, with the channel resistance at $1,980 per ounce and the channel support at $1,880 per ounce. In terms of economic data, there is a lot of important data coming up in the coming week. We have the Chicago PMI data, CB consumer confidence, S&P manufacturing data, ISM manufacturing price, ISM manufacturing PMI, federal interest rate decisions, and non-farm payroll. Based on all this information, my idea for the coming week is that the price action of gold will continue to move in the upside direction. The biggest barrier right now is $1,950 per ounce, and if gold can flip this level, it could easily move up to $1,980 per ounce and even $200 per ounce. To wrap up things, gold is definitely an exciting market to watch right now, and there is a lot of potential for big moves in the coming week. Just remember, it's always important to do your own research and only enter long positions after you have confirmed your analysis. And with that, I want to thank you for watching this video on the weekly analysis of gold. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this one. And as always, stay safe and happy trading.